You're not coming in!
I'm already in.
Oh god. There are random sound effects on the TV. So if you hear random stuff, then that's my TV.
And my phone.
Go get it.
Oh, someone just said they're going to fight in my face. Oh, what? Oh, I'm sorry. Come back.
Why?
Why are you filming this here? It's not an elementary documentary.
This isn't a reality show!
Exactly.
What the hell? Wasn't he just in?
Hello.
Were you just here?
I needed to go outside.
Why are you here?
Because I am awesome.
What do you want from me?
Money.
You can't have any.
Or, I hate you.
Okay, you can hate me.
I just cracked. My phone again.
That wasn't your phone.
Found it.
Oh god. Get the phone, Fatsy!
I do beg your pardon.
Fatsy, get the phone.
I must show you something. Just stand there. Stand there.
Okay.
Stand there by yourself.
I'm standing here. Ow.
Ha ha. I'm awesome.